Here's how you create an ecosystem for your digital products. And most people would ask money for it, will sell you this as a digital product. But in today's video, I'll show you exactly from product proof, how to go through it, mails, and everything you need to have in order to build an ecosystem for yourself when you're selling digital products, so that people that buy one product for you won't just buy one product, will buy more products from you. And so let's not waste time. Let's jump into it. Firstly, I want to show you proof that whatever I'm talking about makes me money. This is what I earn from my digital products. And now you have a proof. Let's jump straight right into it. So I am selling a color grading manual. My color grading manual products. My color grading manual does the whole heavy lifting, and I'll show you exactly why. I think this is the URL for it. So what do I have? I have a color grading manual for photographers. It's something that it's very, very hyper specific. On the landing page itself, in the corner, I'm not sure if you can see, you should be able to see here, I have a plugin from Wiser Notify that shows you when people bought something, increases the trust. I start up top on the landing page with something specific that stops the viewer from scrolling. And then I basically have a VSL showing people this exactly is inside the product. What would they find? If they're buying something, how would this help them? What's the whole thing? And I have some reviews pages from the product itself. And then that's it. I have reviews from people. The next section, I have reviews from people that bought it and that show that it's an amazing product. I use this also for ads. So because I also use it for ads, the people that will land on this page are hybrid. They're not just cold audience, they're also warm audience. So for cold audience, I use this to understand who the fuck is the guy behind this manual and why is he doing it and what happened. So I need a bit of a proof to show, hey, it's a real person behind it. I've been doing this. That's why I'm selling it. Now, this is a basic color grading manual and it's $9. So it is a basic color grading manual with $9 because not everyone wants to go fully into the whole thing. I needed to split it into two because it reached to a point where the product itself was 80 pages and no one will fucking buy something and go through 80 pages. So I split it into basic and advanced. Now, before that, it was $24, the whole thing. Now you have the basic manual for $9, and I have an add-on, a bump, which is the advanced modules of this. Now, two things happen here. Second one complements the first one. You can't have the advanced one without having the basic one. If you're grabbing the basic just to know what's happening there and how are things described in the manual, that's completely fine because you can grab the basic and then later on you can grab the advanced as well. Or you can just land on the buying both of them. And when you do that, that's $9 with $34. So if you add both when you're buying it, that's $43 from one product. By the way, I have here on the left side some more reviews from people. Now, when people buy this, after they bought it, they're redirected to the upsell. The upsell being, hey, you bought the basic already manual, you bought the advanced one. I have some videos that will help you complement these two. These videos are 69. So if we add 43 plus 69, whoever buys the whole package, it's $112. What happens afterwards? Because now if I'm running ads towards the first page that I'm having, towards this one, I'm running ads on this. Maybe my cost of acquisition per customer would be let's say $11. That means if people come and just buy the $9 one, I'm not able to pay for my ads. And so most of the people, I made it so in such a way that most of the people that are buying, they buy both basic and advanced. Now if they buy both basic and advanced, and that's $43, and my cost acquisition per customer is $11, that's $32 that I win from that after paying for the ads. So basically the product pays for the ads. I can run ads up until infinity because people will just keep buying it. Now if one person buys the whole package, basic, advanced, plus the videos, and let's say it costed $14 cost of acquisition per customer, I'm $98 in profit because I haven't, the ads have been paid for themselves. So I can use these 98 to sell more, to buy more ads, to put more into ads so I can sell more. Now, I already have 3 products that complement each other. They're related to each other. And so when someone buys one, two, three, it buys the whole thing. Now I have people that bought the first product, so the basic color grading manual, then they bought the advanced one, then they bought the color grading manual. If you have 2 more upsells that complement these and these people buy it, then you're making more money. And so what happens is you basically can create up to 3 upsells, and then the system or the next step comes in place. And I want to show you this. After every single customer of mine buys something from me, they are being added to my email list. Email list being here. So when people reach my email list, I have, where are they? They should be in automation and in email sequences. By the way, this is not sponsored by Kit or anything. I use it because it's the only thing that I use. I find it fucking amazing. So what happens? I made it and I thought of it in such a way that if I'm buying the basic color grading manual plus the advanced, and then I'm receiving an email where the advanced has something like a discount or something, then I find it shit. So I created these emails in a way that I'm trying to upsell them through emails in a specific way. So if someone buys the basic color grading manual, they will land on this email. I'm sending them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 emails, 7 emails after they bought something. Everyone receives them. So the first email is, hey, I'm going to give you a welcome code. It's active for 48 hours. And it's only working with these links. Now think of it, if someone comes and buys the basic color grading manual plus advanced, and I'm sending them this email where I'm saying, hey, the advanced color grading manual is 25.50 instead of 34 what they saw on the page, it would be shit. If I'm showing this to someone that only bought the basic and I'm saying, hey, you bought the basic, but I'm giving you this discount, this welcome 10% discount, so you can use to buy the advanced one. Now the people that just bought the basic one landed here and they will buy the advanced one because it's discounted. They might also buy the video colors grading one that is also discounted with 51. So let's think of it in smaller steps and more logic. Someone buys the basic color grading man that I have. They're going to receive a welcome code for the advanced and the video. If someone buys basic plus advanced, they will receive only a code for the video support. If someone buys video, advanced, and basic, I have other products that they'll receive discount for, but they won't see any discount for the previous ones. So they will receive discounts for the ones that they haven't bought. That means regardless at what state they are, they will have the opportunity to have a discount and buy more regardless how much they bought already. What happens afterwards? They receive this, and I'm so happy to welcome them into my world because I fucking am. I can stay at home with my kid and see him experience life because someone bought something from me, and I'm so fucking grateful for that. So I thank them for that. I give them the discount, and then I want to keep them accountable. You bought something from me. I want you to fucking use it. This is how you use it. I'm helping you, keeping you accountable to use it so that you can grab the most out of it. And I'm doing this in one, two, three emails. No, in two emails. The first two emails, I'm doing this. On the third email, I'm sending them a reminder. Hey, there's something that you could use in order to buy something with that welcome code because the 48 hours might expire soon. Then I'm keeping them accountable for another 1 day. And then I have something that I'm offering them. Hey, I have a community for people like you. This is what I'm doing inside. Would you like to join? So I'm upselling them now. After keeping them accountable, I'm upselling them into the next step, into something that generates monthly revenue for me, recurring revenue for me. So putting them into a community that I run. Here's how you can join. And I'm giving them price and everything. And then I'm having a final nudge. Again, telling them about the community. Now, when they exit this, I'm not saying them, I'm sending usually weekly broadcasts. I'm not sending them to the people that already received these emails. Because if I'm sending you the first email because you joined and you basically bought something from me, and then I'm keeping the first and second email for accountability, as I said, this one is the one for reminder that they could buy something, another one for accountability, and then I'm having these. If I'm sending 2 emails per week and they have 7 emails that they would receive, in total, they'll receive 2 emails in some days, which is a lot if you ask me, because I'm trying to do my marketing based on how I would like to be treated. And receiving 2 emails from the same person in one day, for me, that's a lot. I might even subscribe from you. And so now you have this. When people buy something, they of course receive access to what they bought. When they receive access to what they bought, inside, let's take the advanced color grading as an example. Inside, they have other links, other helpful links. If your photos are not selling, blah, 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 click here. That's another thing that I'm upselling them into, asking them to buy something else. The presets, buy here. Want to monetize photography, buy here. So every single product of mine has also links to other products of mine that they could buy. Because when they're consuming the product and they have a link under and they think, okay, finish this, what would be the next step? This, they already have the card in hand saved. They might as well just buy it because they saw that the products that I gave them are good. And so right now, if you think of it, you're having you're having someone joining your business and it's opened. They're going through the main stage, and then you have a bump, an upsell, a second upsell, a third upsell. Then they land on your email. Then you have upselling in the email. In the product where you deliver the product, they have other links where they could buy. And so you create, because you're playing a game of traffic with digital products, you're having a lot of traffic generated from inside and from outside. So the content generates you generates you traffic from outside. So you create content in order to send people to a product page where they could buy. Once they reached inside your business, you're sending traffic from the inside, from already existing customers. You're sending traffic to other products that they might want, enjoy, or need. That's how you would need to pay shitloads of money for others to show you how you create an ecosystem. And here on this channel, you just learn it from me without paying absolutely anything. Cheers.